Hey everybody, I have a few questions. Mostly just one question, but in like a three-part series. Well, the first one is, does anybody look like this when they wake up in the morning? I can't. I went to the doctor and they didn't know what to do. Because I wake up and I look like this. I cook my eggs, I cook my brunch, I had some OJ, had some milk, so balanced, and then, oh! See? I don't know. I don't know. I don't get it. I don't know. I don't know why. The doctors don't know. My family doesn't know. It's nothing, it's nothing hereditary. I just don't get it. And then, at night, right before I fall asleep, right before I lay my weary head down to rest with my other avatar friends, this is what happens. Yeah. I just don't get it. I don't understand. And if there's anybody with any kind of understanding about this condition, or anybody who has this condition, then I'd like to know. Firsthand, call me up, let me know. I will write it down, take some notes, and make sure that this goes away forever.